Okay, so in the last video we did the promotional areas, so the merchant now can edit those, and that was nice and quick. We've got the side categories. Now in this one we're going to actually look at the main content area. Now that's this block here where the store's going to render up the actual page content, either a list of products, maybe a full page details product view, maybe a privacy policy page, etc, etc. We're also going to make a couple of other changes as well. We're going to do the page title, so this box here will always show the current page title. Okay, let's have a look. So basically we'll just nip in the admin area, any paper and pen edit icon again, or put /admin on the end. Store design, customize template. We'll start with the main section. Now I'm gonna, first of all, this actually wants to become a product teaser. So again, Firebug is our friend. What we really want to do is extract this and make it into a product teaser. So we'll just see if we can get a, there we go. Okay. So it's probably that section there that would make a nice product teaser. Yep, not the whole table. So let's right click that and copy the HTML. Okay, and that's what would become our product teaser. Now there is a smarter way to do that. We can actually extract the teasers. This won't change anything, but it'll just put what the block of HTML that makes up a product teaser. You can do it manually like that, or we can do it like that. So we're going to extract that. So we're going to take what we think is there. So that looks right. So I'm going to left click. Now that's actually just snatched that out and popped it in the product teaser section, which is down here. Now all the forms of content, articles, news and products need the can have separate HTML for the teaser, the small view and the large view full page. Again, I'd probably leave the article and the news blank to start with and just do the product teaser. So product teaser, and you can see this is what's been taken out here. Okay, so it's all in there, and we'll come to that in a second. So we're just going to jump back to the site page. Now what we really need is we need a section here. We need to get the main section out. So what we need to do is find where we think. Okay, so we're going to click page content. Right, and this is going to basically insert our page content tag. So I think we need to make that into the region. That's the biggest region that we can. So I'm going to left click there, and it should swap that out for us now. Okay, yeah. Right, now what that's actually done is, now that's a list of products, but because all the teasers match, but we've now got page content in there, which is the important thing. And that looks really good. Okay, now if I swap to another page like privacy policy, there we go, our privacy policy is in there. Whatever page I'm on, this will show the relevant bits and pieces. Okay, so I've done that. You'll see in a minute the product teasers. If I just pop back to the home page, if you remember clicking a link up there, I'll just very quickly change where it says featured products to whatever the home page title, to whatever the current page title is. So I'll just find that in there, and again, we don't want that. So basically what we want is, we want the page title. We have a tag for page title. There we go. Now this will show whatever the current page title is. So Easywebstore Online Demo Store. If I jump to the privacy policy, we get Easywebstore Demo Store Privacy Policy. Okay, so we can tidy this up and the styling of it later, but for now we just need to get this teaser list right. Okay, so we've already extracted the product teaser, so now we're going to nip into product teaser. Now I'm just going to take a copy to the clipboard, because I'm going to use the format function here just to clean up that, so it's formatted nicely. There we go. Okay, so now it's just a matter of going through here and swapping out the relevant bits for our individual tags, because otherwise they're all going to look like this. You'll see in a second. Right, so again, Firebug is our friend, so we've got product #002. We'll just change that for the content title, which is the product title. We'll do the same here for the other bits. Right, and then we've got this picture here. Now we can take a look at this picture and its dimensions. Oops. And it's 108 by 108. But instead of using that picture, what we need to do is swap that out for our own. So we swap it out for content image, and again you can check the tag reference here, but we can set it so it's just the URL only, and the image width is 108 and the image height equals 108. Okay, now it will maintain aspect ratio on there. Okay, that looks good. Okay, yep, that looks fantastic. Okay, yeah, and yeah, that's your image, and there's actually an anchor tag around there. We want it to point to the more details page, so we use the more details URL. So now you'll see that we have an image, and that points to more details page for that product. Okay, now we just work our way down. We've got a product title there, and we can swap that for product content title, and again the anchor tag that surrounds that, more details URL. Okay, and so now we've got a product title there. They're all just Latin filler text, they don't make any sense. And then underneath we've got some teaser text, and we can swap that out for our teaser text tag. So we should see some teaser text. There we go, that's come out from the CMS now. And then we've got a price. We just get rid of that horrible dollar price and put in a price. Okay, there we go, £139.52. And then we've got an add to cart and a view. Now the view button we need to make link through to the full details page. Okay, and that's that. And here's the clever thing, we actually don't want that add to cart button, but we do need the name of the file name. So we're actually going to get rid of that add to cart button altogether. Sorry, I picked the wrong one there. And there, delete that. That should make it vanish. Okay, yep, and we're going to use the add to cart control. So add to cart buttons, which again has sub item text. Right, okay, and we're going to go into the add to cart buttons section, and we're going to take everything out but the button. Again, when we get a bit more advanced, when you've had a play with this, we can use that. And we're going to, you can see the add to cart button here, and we're going to just make the image and put the image name, and it automatically adds the support file location to the front. There we go. Okay, so what we've got now is a fully working main page content. Let's just go back to the admin area and back to the store so we can see it in all its glory. We've got products that we can add to cart. We've got a fully working page details page. You can see it really coming together now. If I go add to cart there, it adds another product to the cart. Now I've got 4 items. If I click there, it jumps through to the cart. You can see now I've got a shopping cart. We've got 3 of those, 1 of those in. Checkout buttons. I can remove the items from the cart. We've got 3 items in the cart. I can go back to the home page. These are customizable sites, so it's really coming together now really quickly. Right, on the next section we're going to do the right panes here and get those so that they're being produced from the CMS. But that's basically, that's a big bulk of it now. This is now, you know, semi-working.